Hi, welcome to Kitchen Garden Therapy. Today we are transforming my friend's front yard garden. So it was looking like this, a little bit sad, and it turned into this beauty. So let me tell you what I did in detail. Over here on the left side, there was a little cement block, and I figured it's a perfect spot to put a pot with annuals. So I planted some petunias in there. In the back is yellow coreopsis with some yellow peach echinacea in the back. And then over here in the middle, I planted daisies in the middle with two irises for some spring blooms, white phlox on the sides, and lilies in the front. Also, I planted some lavender over here in the front, and I liked the way it turned out. I think it's better than it was before. What do you think?